warnings on Monday actually did produce tornadoes, Carson.
They verified, and I would say the silver lining to this entire situation was the fact that all of them have been rated EF0 or EF1. But it was a very active day, to say the least.
Scary day for a lot of people, too.
A very scary day. I mean, we had multiple times where we had multiple tornado warnings in the area. So we're starting to get some of the results in from the storm survey. So let's go ahead and start out with this one. Isaac, this is Rusk County. This happened just to the south of Henderson. I remember when this warning was issued, looked like enhanced winds, but this was a weaker tornado. So this was EF0. And peak winds were at about 85 miles per hour. Now, this was on the ground for about 3 3/4 of a mile, and the width of it was about 915 yards. Mainly tree damage with this one as it traveled between Highway 79 and Highway 259. Appleby, further to the south in Nacogdoches County, stronger tornado. There was some structural damage reported here, especially with some large trees. EF1 tornado was the rating, peak winds at 110 miles per hour. This was on the ground for a longer time, over 7 miles. And then we shift over to northwestern Shelby County. We had a debris signature over Timpson temporarily. This happened on the northern side of town, very close to EF2 strength. This was another EF1. So enough to do quite a bit of structural damage per the reports we've been sharing with you over the last couple of days. This was on the ground for 2.5 miles. And then further off to the east, we're calling this the Old Center tornado. Right along the northern bayous of Toledo Bend there, this traveled into Panola County temporarily. This was an EF1 tornado. There's Tenaha right there. This was near Paxton and Old Center in Panola County. 100-mile-per-hour winds detected with this one. That was on the ground for about 5 miles. Of course, there could be more confirmed tornado reports in the coming days. We will talk about it if there are. 94, that was the high temperature today. Look at that, exactly normal based on historical averages for this time of the year. And it was hot back in 1920, 105 degrees. Lots of sunshine atop the Plaza Tower. We are at 93, temperatures in the 90s for the most part, so it's a very warm afternoon. And as we look at Futurecast, we could see a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Not a lot happening tonight. Maybe a sprinkle or two in deep East Texas. That's about as good as we do. But when we tap into that daytime heating late tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, we first start to see the clouds at 9 o'clock. But between 3 and 4, that's when we could start to see a few isolated showers and storms. 2 o'clock, deep East Texas seeing a few storms, and that will be the best chance of rain, which will be in deep East Texas, and this could continue through about 5 o'clock. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Rain chances pretty slim in East Texas tomorrow, less than 10%. Better chance of an isolated storm or two Saturday and Sunday afternoons, and then mid to upper 90s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But folks, no triple digits in sight, and we are in the middle part of July. We're getting closer to the late part of July, so summer eventually is going to run out of runway, and I'm hoping that happens sooner rather than later, but it will sneak up on us at some point. I can almost guarantee you that. Couple of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday in deep East Texas, but again, no triple digits next week with highs in the 90s. Isaac, Casey.
Carson, thank you.